Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Lovely's allotment. I hope your day is going as well as ours. As you can see, Emily's having a wonderful time here. We managed to pot some plants up, or some vegetable seeds, or plugs, or whatever you decide to call them. We've got heaps that are just growing massive, and we just needed to get them all into bigger pots. So that's what I have done today with the help of my little helper, Miss Emily. This is to hopefully encourage them to grow even further and get bigger so we can start to produce some vegetables in our allotment. So on from there, so keep on watching and you will see Emily and Gav, Emily's dad, planting some onions. We got given these by a very, very kind allotment neighbour who were growing too many and asked us if we wanted some. So, of course, we hadn't started any onions this year, so we took them off his hands and these were planted out today. We were also kindly gifted some really, really big cauliflower plants, which we will need to also plant. This was from a different allotment neighbour. Everybody's just growing too many and sharing them, which is such a wonderful thing to have in the allotment community. And obviously we will share as our produce starts to grow, if people need, etc. But we're still in the very, very early stages of things growing. So today was a great day, very, very productive. Getting heaps in to bigger pots. I got them all watered and now they are moving on to the next stage pots, and hopefully I can keep them going so that they can go outside or they'll stay in the polytunnel, depending on what they are, what temperature they need, what they need the ground to be. So that was sort of what took up a lot of this morning, getting that sorted. What else did we do? Really, not a lot else happened while we were there. We brought some massive bags of compost onto the plot that I had brought and I'd got on offer. So we brought those down. And Gavin was kindly gifted a petrol strimmer, which is something he has always wanted, and someone had two. And they've kindly gifted him one, so that will really, really help tidy up the allotment, because what we've got at home, a electric one, so we have to plug them in, so we don't have power at our allotment site. We have water but no power, so this means we have to we couldn't use those sorts of things, but having that will now mean we can get rid of a lot of the weeds. Also, we have a shed on our site that we were gifted. I may have spoken about this before, by one of the other allotment people just saw that we did not have a shed and someone needed to get rid of one, so they kindly arranged it to be delivered. This is another project Gavin will have to put his mind to and get built, but that's what he likes doing, so he will sort that out. And one of the other allotment neighbours may have a greenhouse that we may be able to purchase from them, which will be great because it's close by and we'll be able to move it quite easily, and it's a really, really good size one, so that will allow me to extend my growing season even further and achieve that self-sufficiency that we are striving towards. So that was our day, guys. Enjoy the clips. I mean, our weekend's been crazy. We've been to Alton Towers and we've also been to Costco, so the weekend's just flowing by, as it does when you're busy. But we did get to the allotment. We did make progress. As you can see, me and Emily did some really, really hard work of potting these plants up. Emily loves learning and loves planting the little seeds. She was doing absolutely amazing, learning and listening, and it's so great to spend time with her one-on-one. As she has two older brothers, it's not always possible to get that one-on-one time, so the fact that she's showing an interest in gardening and growing vegetables, we're definitely going to embrace that and encourage her to come. She's already got some flowers growing at the plot, so we will continue to build on that for her because she loves smelling the flowers and looking at the flowers. So that is absolutely awesome to have the colour in the garden and people enjoying it. I will say as well, the tea bags are still working because I had a slug in my polytunnel, or there's probably more of them, but it had hardly eaten anything. And also outside, they have been nibbled, but not majorly. So I'm still going with tea bags being the best natural slug repellent. I don't care what anyone says. I will still be covering my plants because I think that's important, because there's also things like butterflies and things that I need to deter. And there's lots of pigeons. They do fly around and they belong to people, so I don't think they'll cause us a problem, but you just never know what other birds are about, etc. Anyway, guys, I just want to say lots of love. I hope your weekend's gone amazing. If it hasn't, I'm sure tomorrow will be a better day. Just keep taking one step at a time. No matter where you are in your growing journey, I know you get in there. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Take care. Until next time.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you, it's all for